Yeah. The reason of our gathering here today is because of the Umerife festival that is almost at hand. I want all of us to put our heads together so that we will make this year's festival very, very successful. Is that okay?
The agreement was to pronounce the freedom of Umuburu before this year's Omerife. So I don't know what we are here talking about here.
Shut up your mouth. Who are you to talk when I'm talking? Sit down.
I tell you, without the pronunciation of the freedom of Umuburu, there will be no Omerife this year.
How dare you talk back at the king?
You dare challenge me?
Dimo, please. Please don't. My king, my elders, please forgive my husband. Please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
My elders, my king, please, don't be friendly.
Hey, my husband, what have you done? You know that our king is a very harsh king. The king could deal with you for what you have done.
He can't do anything.
Hey.
Listen to your wife. You know the kind of king we have, Ekwedike. We don't want to lose you. You are strong.
He can do nothing. I will kill him.
My husband, please. I don't want to lose you. Okay, now. Nai, please.
I don't want to lose you.
Please help us specify the king. Yes. Nai, let's go.